This is a meditation for relaxation and inner stillness. Get into a comfortable position, sitting down with the spine straight, hips lifted a little bit higher than the knees, or you might choose to lie down with some support under the knees. Tune into the physical body. As you close the eyes, imagine they are looking backward, inward. And notice a buzzing sensation on the crown of the head. Bring your attention into the scalp and invite the cells of the top of the head to come to stillness as the top of the head settles deeply towards the skull. Notice the way the eyelids heavily blanket the eyes. The skin across the nose and the cheeks settles into the jaw, which unhinges as the tongue sinks down away from the roof of the mouth. Feel the head and neck surrender to the support of the shoulders, which widen and sink into the arms, hands, into the earth. Tune into the gentle heaviness of the rib cage and its intelligence of expansion and contraction. Observe the natural movements of the chest and the belly. Surrender all holding in the low back, the hips. Allow the legs to sink heavy. The whole body rests deeply into the earth. Every part of the body that touches the earth widens and melts deeper into the embrace of Mother Earth. Tune into each body part as I mention it. Pour all of your attention into it, as if every cell in that body part is lighting up with your attention. You'll sense this body part as if you're actually touching it. Go with the speed of my instructions. Bring awareness to the right hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger. Attention in the palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, right side body. Move attention down into the right hip joint, thigh, knee, low leg, ankle, top of the right foot, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Move attention into the whole right side of the body. The whole right side of the body lights up with your awareness now. Now move over to the left side of the body. Left hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, left shoulder, side body. Pour attention into the left hip, thigh, knee, low leg, top of the left foot, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. The whole left side of the body. Pay attention to the whole left side of the body. Now move from the soles of the feet, heels, backs of the legs, back side of the body, back of the head, forehead, right eye, left eye, right nostril, left nostril, upper lip, lower lip, tip of the tongue, root of the tongue, chest, abdomen, the whole body lit up with your awareness. The whole body. Now guide attention to the breath. Notice the cool, life-giving breath. Imagine you are an observer, witnessing yourself breathing. Observe the flow of the breath in through the nostrils, down the throat, the chest, the belly, and back up again and out through the nostrils. Notice the sweet sound of the breath. Inhales, chanting the sound, so. Exhales, chanting the sound, hum. Inhale to so. Exhale, hum. Notice the gentle, life-giving breath. Stay with the breath. So hum. So hum. Follow the breath.